Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jay. This is my jam. And I have another unboxing for you today. And now, don't tell anyone, but I might be cheating on Portland leather goods just a little bit. Just a little bit. I have a fashion file unboxing for you today. I don't know if you recognize this. I'm going to just do an actual unboxing again because I've had some comments that people like being able to see how things are packaged, things like that. Yeah, I saw this on Fashion File. I already know that I love the bag. It's a bag, and it's from a brand I love. And I saw it and thought, this is the perfect summer bag. So I got it, and I'm going to unbox it here for you so you can get the true experience. Try to make this as painless as possible for you. Yeah, does anybody have any guesses what it might be? And as we already know, it's not Portland leather goods, as I struggle to open this. And this was a bag that I actually put on layaway with Fashion File. It came on their site, well, about 2 months ago. And I thought somebody would snap it up just based on the price and what it was. And they didn't. And then I was like, what am I doing? This is perfect for summer. And I'm thinking, I'll just toss her all on layaway. And by the time it comes due, it'll be like the perfect weather and temperature for it. So I did that. So I'm going to open this here. Technical. Good job. Do this with precision. Oh, you just tear it.
Several hours later.
Okay. It might go easier for you than that, depending on your strength level. All right, so here we go. When you open it up, the box inside says Fashion File. And now, something that was really fun the first time I got it, and the second time I got it, and the third time I got it, and now I don't really like it. It is all the little confetti you get with this. You get a nice Fashion File from Fashion File, which is fun. You get this confetti. There's gray and there's usually some pink in here too. Yep, here's a pink piece here. And then they always come, I think, packaged very nice. And it has the used is the new on it here. So we're gonna open it up here. And then even if the bag comes with its own dust bag, Fashion File always includes one of their own, and they always put the bag in their bag. So if you ever get a bag from them and you think, I thought this came with a dust bag, and you see that it's in the Fashion File bag, and you pull the bag out and wonder what's going on. Generally, they put the manufacturer's dust bags in the bag itself. So
the bag's in the bag in the bag.
That's true, yes. All right, so I don't remember if this came with one or not. Not that important to me, especially because I knew I'd be getting the Fashion File bag. So they have nice, substantial bags. Okay. I'm excited about this one because you guys, if you've been watching me for a while, you know that I love this brand now. It's one that's newer to me, but now I have 3 bags already from them, 2 in the same style. To reveal. Oh, this beautiful baby. So I do not know the name of this color, but this is a mini bayswater, I believe, mini zipped tote. Mini zip bayswater tote. And I did not know they made this color. I was thinking about getting the Marc Jacobs, the tote bag, mini traveler tote. They have a color that's very similar to this. But then I saw this come up, and I love the color, but I love Mulberry. So this is a Mulberry bag. They had like these little toggles here. They are, I mean, you could pull the purse tighter. I don't know that I want to. Otherwise, they're mainly decorational. And it's got the gold hardware here. It has a zipped opening. Nicely stuffed. Oh, okay. This one actually does come with its dust bag. Dust bag? Yeah. I always want to say dust jacket like it's a book. And Mulberry itself has a really nice bag as well. Dust bag. And then these totes do come with an adjustable, removable strap. And then the interior is suede, like right from the leather. It's like the opposite side of the leather. They are one big compartment with one slip pocket right in the back here. And this one came with everything. It's even got its little Mulberry card here. Looks like the care booklet. Everything's in it. So I love this. I love the color. And like I said, I had been thinking about the Marc Jacobs tote, and I think those run about $400 now. In the leather, they have them like this color. But then you got the big old, the tote bag on it, which I don't mind. But given the price difference between that and this, I just think this is just a stunning bag. I already do have it in like a darker purple or violet, and I have it in this gorgeous fuchsia pink, and then I have the bigger one in the Kelly green, and now I have this. I just thought this was like a perfect summer bag. So that's my unboxing for you. Just thought I'd throw something a little bit different than Portland leather goods in here.
Cheater.
And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. Like I said, I do have a couple other videos unboxing these same type of totes. They all their leather's all a little different. This is more smooth. The purple bag I have is more smooth, and the fuchsia pink is more pebbled. So I think these bags for the money are great. And for the money meaning in terms of the price of luxury bags, not necessarily, we know these are expensive even at this price. So yeah, that's my unboxing for you today. If you have any questions on it, let me know. Like I said, the details in regards to this you can find on some of my other videos, but I'd love to answer any questions you have in the comments. I absolutely love when you leave comments. I like to interact with everybody, and I try to make sure I answer everybody. And I certainly thank you for watching. If you aren't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. And you can find me on Instagram at, I'm at James Jam. It's Jame_S_Jam. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.